This is an interesting situation, isn't it, Mia?
Well, they know there's a dog with me.
Yeah. What's going to happen when I open the door, Axel? She's going to rip you a new one. Hey, Mia. Coming in, baby girl. I think you better go, Axel. Probably best if you go. Come back another day. Yeah, I'm watching. Yeah, I'm here. Don't you worry. Axel, keep moving. I'm on top of it. Don't you worry. Go and sort it out now. He's out there. All under control there, Chuffy? Yeah, I know. Come on then. Hello. How are you? Getting the last of the sun, Ginger girl? Hey? How you going? Professor. How's life in the aviary, big fella? Hello, Bruce. Who's that behind you? Hey? Wouldn't be your 3 little babies, would it? I'd have to come in and have a look at them. Is that alright? You two alright? Hello. What you doing, right? How's your day going? Temperature! How you going, baby? Alright. What are you up to, Ginger? What are you up to? You're busy eating, so I shouldn't bother you, is that right? Alright. Bruce! How's them babies of yours? Come on. Hello, my darling. Can I have a look at your babies? Oh, I can. Can I? Oh, you're my pretty girl. I'm just trying to look at your babies. I'll zoom in. Oh, relax. Come here. Oh, what was that noise? Oh, I think I heard a noise. I think I heard a noise. Did I hear a noise? Uh-oh. Who's in there? Have you found a cubby hole? Hey? You do like a little nest, don't you? You goober. You coming out? Jabba. How are you, Jabba? Hey? You know you can come out. Doors never shut. Hey? What about you, Ginger? You still eating? Hey? Do you want to come up and say hello? Just by any million to one shot. Alright. Come kiss. Kiss on the nose. Oh, don't be mean to me. Up you get. Do you want to come up? Oh, you are so warm. You are so warm. Oh, don't be mean. Well, look at this. Axel. Yes, you. Axel. Can I help you, young man? Or do you need to go home and learn some manners? If Mia finds you, you'll learn some bloody manners, I can tell you right now. Hmm? Mia! Puss, 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 puss. What if I call her? Hey? You'd be in trouble, wouldn't you? You're lucky Mia's not here. Uh-oh. Hello, Mia. Guess what Axel was doing? He needs a bit of a telling off. Can you do that for me? Is that it? That's all he gets? You got off lucky. Here's my girl. What you doing, baby girl? Are you still too busy, are you? Don't you give me too busy. Come and give me a kiss. Alright? Can you come up for a while, please? Come on. Oh, you are my good girl. Up you get. That's it. Alright. That's not so bad, is it? What you been doing? What have you been doing? Choo, choo, choo. And Fred, what do you think you might be doing? Fred? Fred? Yes. Oh, sorry, you hadn't finished? What? Fred? Do you know what's going on over there? Do you even care? Right? He's being mean. Uh-oh, he's going to come and be mean to you now. Look out. Fred? Fred? What's he doing, Ginger? What do you think he's doing? What's up, Fred? Can you tell me what you're doing right now? Can you give me some idea of what's going on? Still no clue? Hey? What? Don't bite my glasses. No. What did I just say? Are you trying to distract me? Get your beak off my glasses. Hello, can I help you? Hey? What was your plan? Cow face? Come on then. Bring it on. Yeah, I didn't think so. Oh, you were just getting something to eat, were you? Oh shit. Hmm? What? Hmm? Yeah, I'm watching you too, Bruce. Hello, Rock. What are you doing? There's a lot going on at once here, darling. I'll be right with you. Ginger, what's going on over there? Hey, what do you think? What do you think? No? Hey! Don't be a bitch. Hmm? What's your problem? Huh? Ginger. You don't want to step in? Hmm? Nothing I can do to persuade you to get in here. Is he not your type? Fred, you worry me, buddy. Ginger, you worry me even more. Hmm? What are we going to do with him? Or are you the problem? Hmm?